Sasa unaweza lipua ndio tucheze black ball.
Kwa hivyo hapa sasa kuna game ngapi? Umesema black ball.
Hapa kuna game mara mbili. Kuna hii ya pot the black na kuna ingine inakuaga ya point. Lakini sasa kwa tournament hii ya black ndio inatambuliwa hata upande wa any international game.
Okay. Kuna hii swali.
Yeah.
I've even seen most unapata in some areas,
yeah,
you find hii kitu ni kama hitakikani or illegal.
No, you know what they do. There is what we term as betting and control board, which is here in Mama Ngina Street. You must register. Yeah. And there is some regulations from time.
Yes.
Your cottage you can open it from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m.
So tuseme kwamba
ni sheria, no only sheria.
Lakini mara nyingi kwamba watu wanasema kwamba vijana wameharibika kwa sababu ya kucheza pool.
No.
Na hii miaka 15 umefanya kazi hii, unaje?
This thing it has created job.
Yes.
Because on where we have like bars, we have pool for entertainment. This is one way of trying to entertain people.
Na pia imekufungulia kazi.
Na pia it is an advertisement on our side because when those people find that there is entertainment.
So tuseme this is part of is a part of entertainment.
Yes, it is.
Kwa sababu pale nyumbani kuna mzazi mwenye anasema akiona mtoto wake anacheza kitu kama hii.
And it is also a professional game. Yeah. Companies have taken people because there is a league pool.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is a national game.
So when should somebody play this? Can I wake up
No. You must. It is after work. Yeah. It is like okay, but there are those professionals who represent companies.
Yes.
That one, if the company has contracted you as their player, is now that is another case. But on the our normal, we make it after job. It is a relaxation type of mind.
That's the healthy time.
Yeah, healthy time.
So you find your mind is relaxed.
Yes, sir.
There is concentration, as you say. Wow. I have learned that this is it's a game whereby you have to play after your work. Number two, you can also make it a professional if maybe you want to, you're playing for a company, or and there's healthy benefit. The way I said, number one, there's what you call relaxation. You just relax your mind in this part.
Yes.
There's also concentration, that when you're playing this game, because you have to concentrate. He mentioned about the graffiti, he has mentioned about the by-fort. So kidogo aniambie Van Clamp and the Lord, which I know Nikiekelea is the Lord. So